Hi, welcome to Marketing Cloud for Marketers. My name is Derek and I'm from Arachne. I'm one of the instructors at Arachne and I work with organizations to enable them on using the Marketing Cloud as best as possible, utilizing a lot of best practices. What we're going to do today is I'm going to go through and outline how you can expand the URL expiration times on any emails that you send out through the Marketing Cloud. Now, the reason that you might want to do that is you might have an email that's been sent out. You can see this one's been sent out or just over a year ago now. So it went out on the 24th of the 9th, 2021. We're recording this on Wednesday, the 26th of October, 2022. So quite an old email. But people do let the email build up, and they go through them and they want to go through and see if they've missed anything or just do general catch up. Now, one of the things in Marketing Cloud, if I go to an old email and I click on a link, what's going to come up here, I'll just adjust that, is I get this pretty boring kind of error message almost. It just says the link has expired. Please contact the sender of the email for more information. All right, now that's not the best experience for my customer, so I want to go through and modify that. And I might just want to redirect someone through to my contact page or my home page or something. So what I'm going to do in Marketing Cloud, really straightforward, I'm going to go into the setup first of all. Now, if you haven't been into the setup, all you do is hover over the name in the top right hand corner, go into the setup just there, click into setup, and basically what I come through to here is essentially the administration side of Marketing Cloud. So if you haven't been through here before, that's okay. Take a look around. We'll go through another video on how to use setup a little bit later. But from setup, all I'm going to do here is go to my platform tools just here, and I am going to expand out my feature settings and then expand out my email studio settings. All right. And what the email studio settings do is they basically allow me to look at all of the elements that enable me to send emails through Marketing Cloud. All right. So as an example, I can change my sender profile there, my from name and from address there, for example. But what we want to do here is we want to go into the URL expiration. So I'll click into that. And I go into the URL expiration. Now, first thing that I can do here is I can set the time frame for my URLs to expire. Okay, so by default, that's set to 60 days. That's how the system comes. You can specify up to 730 days or 2 years if you want to. But I'm just going to I might put in 120 days, which is about 4 months. I'll do that. But the real key thing I want to do here is I want to direct people through to a URL. So where it says all expired URLs redirected to the following, at the moment, they're going to that system default URL, that message that came up. So this message here. So not ideal for my customer, it doesn't give them a great experience. But what I will do, I'm going to drop in a custom defined URL and I'm going to send them through to my contact page. So put in my details, just like that. Click on save, done. All right, so now if someone, from any emails that I send out from this point on, someone clicks through on that on a link that's expired or that's in this case is more than 120 days or is more than 120 days old, instead of going through to that system default URL, they'll now go through to my contact page. All right, bit of a better experience, and I keep them within my own brand's ecosystem. All right, that's it. We're going to come up with some more videos a little bit later, but let me know if there's a particular video that you want, if there's a particular use case or problem that you have in Marketing Cloud, and we'll see if we can go through and resolve that for you. All right, thanks so much.